Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope you are all will be fine. I'm also fine. Thank you. Welcome to your channel, that is AZ Science Group. Today we will discuss a new topic. I bring a new topic of inorganic chemistry, and today lecture we will be discuss non-aqueous solvents. What is non-aqueous solvents? So we will discuss what is non-aqueous solvents. This is the whole chapter. We will be explain this chapter bit by bit in various lectures. Okay, let's start. Come to the points. Okay, first of all, most of the chemical reaction familiar to us take place in aqueous solution, since water due to high value of dielectric constant, water due to high value of dielectric constant, due to high value of dielectric constant has an increased ability to dissolve ionic compounds and so many other substances. However, there are many chemical reactions which cannot be carried into water, which cannot be carried into aqueous solution, but it can be studied in non-aqueous solvents. So, water is called aqua. Aqua means water. So all those solvents, all those reactions that can take place in water, in which the reaction in which water can use as a solvent or as a medium. So these solvents, these reaction will be preferred in aqueous solvents. These reaction can be take place in aqueous solvents, and the solvent will be called aqueous solvents. While there is some reaction we do not need aqueous solvents, but they can be take place in other than water solvents. So that's why those solvents will be called non-aqueous solvents. Non-aqueous solvent means where no water is used. Here is also another term used, which is called anhydrous. Anhydrous means without water. Anhydrous means without water. For example, somewhere you can see different things. For example, in some books there was be used anhydrous HF. So what this mean? When anhydrous HF used as a solvent, so what this mean? That will be called non-aqueous solvents, because anhydrous means without water. So HF, those solvents in which purely HF presents, not water presents. So that's why these solvent will be called non-aqueous solvents. That is one non-aqueous solvents. I hope concepts of non-aqueous solvent will be cleared. Still, if you have any confusion, if you have any questions, you can ask me in comment section. Yeah, a large number of non-aqueous solvents has been dissolved in last 5 years. In last 5 years, these solvents have sizable value of their dielectric constant and hence can dissolve in many substances. For example, such as the anhydrous, as I told you, anhydrous liquid ammonia, where there is no water used, is called, such solution is called non-aqueous solvents. Such solvent will be called non-aqueous solvents. For example, anhydrous liquid SO2, anhydrous liquid sulfur dioxide. For example, anhydrous liquid HF, as I told you before, anhydrous liquid N2O4, etc. These all are the solvents. Where no water can be used. So these solvents are called non-aqueous solvents. I hope it will be cleared. So I hope it will be clear. So if you have still any confusion, any question, you can ask me in comment section. I will be reply you. I will be answering you. I will be remove your doubt. You remove your problem. You remove your question. Okay, thank you. So So dear students, please also subscribe my channel. It make me feel happy that my students are supporting me. Okay, thank you very much. Very best of luck.